Got it here, 2021 Benchmade knives. Got it at the Sportsman Warehouse. Auto open, tactical everyday carry, cashback, whatever. Can't pronounce it. Hopefully I didn't butcher the name completely. So there's a safety right here, and then safety on, and it doesn't go. Safety off. Very powerful spring. So make sure you don't forget to put safety on. Beautiful knife, long clip. Just a simple design, just straight and a straight blade. There you go. Automatic Benchmade. Anytime I can find them, I buy them, because you cannot buy them on eBay or Amazon. We got it here, turret, black glass, 5/3/2021, and there's more information about it. It says manual open. Let's see what's about. Also, this knife is tactical and also everyday carry. It's kind of cool that it tells you what they're about. So if you have big pockets and big hands, you probably want one of this. Pretty soft clip. Opens and closes really good. Flicks out. There's the design, curved handle and a blade. I like that. Very comfortable. Look at that thumb rest over here. Pretty nice. It's half serrated, half not. What I have learned, serrated knives are pretty good for unboxing. But yeah, beautiful little knife right here. What do you guys think? Okay, next one is Grizzly Greek. This one is hunting. Everything about it. Manual open. Blue glass as well. Beautiful. So what's so special about it? As you can see, it has a piece right here. Opens the same as the other ones. Need a little flick. It's actually way smoother than the second knife, than this one right here. Way smoother. The button right here, the other one may be a bit too big, but it does take a little practice to, so it doesn't get stuck. Also, you can open it this way, but again, takes quite a bit of practice. Some knives are easier than the other ones. So multiple way to open it. Check out this blade. Very comfortable, very comfortable. I really like that blade. And what's so special over here, you open it and you got that here skinner, rope cutter, whatever, and it's just very simple to open it and close it. That's it. And to close this one, just grab it, close it. Beautiful wood handle. Love that design. There you go. When was that made? 2021, 7/9/2021. I also think I have exactly the same one, but automatic one, so really nice. Okay, everyday carry, outdoor, manual open, Osborne. Some local chain, I guess. So this one everybody likes. This one is Adams Black Glass. And it tells you everything about it usually right here, and you see it's 7/22/2021. It's dated as well. Beautiful. It says tactical knife. First of all, looks like a Rambo style, like big knife, soft clip, but you grab it and flick it out like this. Same way you can just close it. Same way you can grab it with the pointy finger or whatever in the back and close it. Also, you can flick it like this if you practice enough. Also, you can flick it with the thumb stud. So, multiple way to open it and close it. That's for sure. Whenever you close it, look how smooth it is. It actually kind of drops and bounces. But what I like about this knife, whenever it gets to this point, you kind of want to pull it in. So beautiful knife for sure. Very big. Very nice. Okay. Ooh, this is nice. Elegant. Definitely everyday carry. It says outdoor. I would more so keep it every day. Ooh, what's so special about this one? I don't think I have a Benchmade like that. That is, there's a flicker in the back. Ooh, it's assisted or tension on it or something. This is why there is a safety. Okay. That's cool. Okay, I just figured it out how to use it. All this is to release the knife to close it. That's it. It doesn't really flick or do anything. You just flick this out and it's assisted. What it says on the box, it says manual, but it doesn't really say if it's assisted or not. You know what, guys? Sportsman Warehouse employee give me the wrong box. It says for the Osborne, and this is not Osborne, and this is not a manual knife either. This is the actual knife actually for 90 Arcane Benchmade, and it's like $270. So it's really annoying that some shops will take it out from the box and then they cannot find the box. So now I have their own box. Oh well, probably just gonna try to go switch it out. But this is such an elegant handle. I like that. And technically this is like a microfiber towel. It protects your knife. Very beautiful. These things are hard to find. They sell out fast. Boom. Safety on. Wow, I really like that Benchmade. Very unique. Next one is Vector Everyday Carry Assist, Axis Assist. What else? Blue Class. Let's open it. This one is nice. Assisted knives. This one safety is over here. Forward, back. Wow, that's kind of longer knife, so it kind of flicks out pretty slow. This is just to release it whenever it's unfolded. You see what I'm talking about? It flies out so slow, comparatively speaking, to this one. This side here flies out super fast versus this one, bigger one. You see that? But they both assisted. Safety is over here, kind of easier. This one safety right here. You got press it and push forward. Now nothing is gonna happen. It holding the knife. Okay, take off the safety. A little bit more complicated, but look at that blade design. I really like that. There's Benchmade assisted knives. This is probably my first ones. I have a bunch of automatic knives. Assisted's really fun too. Look at that small little lip over here. I really like that knife even more. That one seems to be too big for everyday carry, like unboxing and everything. But there you go, I like them both quite a bit. And that will be it. And there you go. Let me know in comments below which one is your favorite Benchmade knife of today's video.